Right.
You're in the room with me. Shut up, White. Who's White? I'm a... I was timed by a mod abuser. They're abusing mods. Outside. Run like an hour and a half ago. That was it. It's so hot here. They give the 100 bits and I don't want to ask who is that person that visited my stream. I'm scared of saying it out loud. I've been tricked too many times. This phenomenon in this room, I'm not used to this anymore. Huh? So the was Any other questions from anyone, guys?
What's the realest splish you've ever wrote?
What's the realest splish you ever wrote?
Yeah. What about what's like Filipino and predominantly
Wait,
white genre? Yeah.
Luna?
That's a good one.
That is actually a good question. Luna, thank you for the 36-month. Okay. Thanks for the follows, by the way. What's life like? I saw good questions. How much to try then? Yeah, I got it, man. What the fluff is
Broccoli,
this from
apples,
LGBT? No, I'm from
pears,
New
bananas,
Zealand. Danelli!
carrots,
35 months
chicken.
piece up with pride. Which one of his songs is perfect to listen to? Well, okay, I'm gonna ask him what his favorite song, what song he thinks fits gaming. But that would just be good luck having fun, wouldn't it? What song do you think I should ingest? Let me just listen. Well. Oh wait. What the fuck? Seven. He's gonna be here for one. I'm just telling you. Okay, Luna, I'm gonna rephrase that as what do you No, I'll serious. Hey Ethan, the little next, like I think within 2 minutes of uploading that story I said never mind, he's gonna be late. Can you ask Miko where he was on January 6th? I'm actually gonna get him to pull up like whatever was in his camera roll.
And then ask him where he was on.
He wasn't born yet. Happy, What a time to decide to come to America. Hey, let's celebrate, guys.
Stay tuned.
That's not true.
Yeah.